In our country, the idea of a party is different in different sections of the society. In metros, it is observed mostly that people go to clubs and have a good time. There is also a booming culture of house parties there. While most parties are quite expressive, others are comparatively quiet. It's just some friends having some booze and good food and having a great time. The party culture is evolving and it's spreading in the smaller cities too. It is due to this fact that people are also being considerate of being an active part of it. For this, they are trying to upgrade themselves. They are experimenting with their food, their looks and choice of clothing. There is always this eternal question of what to wear at a party. It is firmly believed that what we wear is a reflection of our personality. Due to this, people have become more choosy. Finding that perfect attire which is comfortable yet presentable is the priority. Also, once a dress is chosen, choosing great accessories with it enhances the style quotient. The appropriate choice of footwear, bags or purses also have become very important. Thus, a perfect attire laced with apt accessories can make you the light of the party. Considering how important these accessories can be, a new trend has emerged. People are now opting again for that long-lost party hats after decades. Let's see how party hats are a rising trend in the youth. Party hats, a rising trend in the youth. Creativity. The first attraction towards these hats are due to the fact of how designers have creatively designed them. All the hat patterns such as a cowboy hat, baker boy cap, beret, baklava, headband and bucket hat are reimagined. They have also been reworked with thousands of sparkles. This glitter adds to the glamour of the hat. These hats serve one purpose only. There is no utilitarian quality attached to it. The only purpose it serves is aesthetics. Due to this aspect, they are quite popular in parties. People understand that they cannot wear hats in their day-to-day life. However, in parties it is the norm. So why not wear it in the most glamorous hat there is? Vintage flavor. Another reason for the popularity of party hats is the nostalgia it triggers. For women, a wide range of vintage designs are reworked and have gained quite a lot of attention. Those designs include the veiled hats. These hats are reworked by rendering them in metallic glitter and adding a delicate crystal-studded veil. The resulting hat is a wildly playful piece that feels both retro and futuristic. Due to this, the demand for these repackaged vintage designs is increasing. Versatility. Another great advantage of party hats is that the designers do not shy away from experimentation. This experimentation can range from adding glitter to cowboy hats to fedora being reworked with funky colors. Due to this, people are getting multiple options and they are embracing it in a heartbeat. These experimentations have benefited more post-lockdown. COVID restrictions have indirectly contributed to the change of taste of the people. They have become more expressive and open-minded. This has come from a psychological space of breaking the limitations. This is the reason these hats can be customized as per your requirement at affordable prices. Trends come and go and then recycle, but looking at the demand for these party hats, we believe this trend is here to stay.